All right, boys and girls, right now we are going to work on some place value. I know in third grade, you are used to place value that has your hundreds and your thousands going all the way up to the millions. But what you're not used to is that billion right there. So when we do our place value, we have the ones, the tens, and hundreds. We move on to our thousands, our 10,000s, and then our 100,000s. It goes into a pattern between the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So the next one, we just start with the basic millions. We go to our 10 million, and then we go to our 100 million. And in fourth grade, we go all the way up to our billion. What we were talking about last week is the relationship between each of these numbers. One of the relationships goes from the ones to the tens to the hundreds. Remember that song, to the left, to the left. When I go to the left, each time I go to the left, I'm multiplying by 10. And then the song that goes to the right, 1/10. And again, each time I go to the right, I'm taking that by 1/10. So if it asks me, what is the relationship between the digit in the hundreds place and the digit in the tens place? The digit in the hundreds place is 10 times the digit in the tens place. If it asks me what's the relationship between the digit in the millions place versus the digit in the 10 millions place, here's my millions, here's my 10 millions. My millions is 1/10 the value of the digit in the 10 millions place. Boys and girls, that does the same exact thing if I even have my decimals. With my decimals in fourth grade, we go from the tenths, remember that th at the end, tenths, and then we have our hundredths, and again, the value between my ones place and my tenths place is 1/10. The tenths place is 1/10 the value of the ones place. Or if I was going to the left, the ones place is 10 times the value of the tenths place.